Unlock the power of personalized customer conversations by building your first Messagebird flow from the ground up, right now. First, log into your Messagebird account. Once you're in, locate and click the Create New Flow button. Usually found prominently on your dashboard, this will take you to the Flow Builder interface, your canvas for crafting amazing customer experiences. You'll see a blank canvas. The first element you'll add is the Start node. This is where your conversation begins. To the left, you'll find a sidebar packed with channels, from SMS and WhatsApp to email, and more. Choose the channel that best suits your initial customer interaction. Let's start with SMS. Drag the SMS icon from the sidebar onto your canvas and connect it to the Start node by clicking and dragging a line between them. This signifies that when a customer initiates contact through SMS, your flow will begin here. Now, configure your first message. Click on the SMS node here. You'll define who the message is from, and, crucially, the message content. Type your greeting or initial question into the text field. This is your very first engagement with the customer. Next, let's anticipate a customer's response. Drag a reply node onto the canvas and connect it to your initial SMS node. This node allows you to define what happens after the customer replies. Within the reply node, you can set up conditional logic. For example, you can create branches that trigger different actions based on keywords the customer uses in their reply. Think about common questions or requests and map them out. Each branch represents a different path the conversation can take. You can add more message nodes, send emails, or even trigger other automations down these paths. This is how you build dynamic, interactive conversations, tailoring the experience to individual needs. Once you've designed your desired conversation flow, remember to save your progress frequently. When you're happy with your creation, hit the Publish button to bring your custom communication workflow to life, ready to engage your customers.